So this is the advertisement demo video by the group members Archana, Sonali, Anjali, and Jaya Pooja. Okay, so um, so uh, our project is we have implemented ads in our app by taking AdMob as by Google. So we have taken Google AdMob APIs with the help of which we set up ads. So we have set up two kinds of app in the ads in this app of Shuttle Track, which is just a small, very initial stage of Shuttle Track app. So we have implemented two types of ad. That is the banner ad, as you can see in the bottom of the page, and there is a interstitial ad which would turn into the full screen. So if we touch the banner ad, so it goes to the different browser page, and this banner ad is always fixed to your app screen. So yeah, it will always occupy the that much of portion that you assign in the screen. And then the interstitial ad is something, is like a link or a button in any part of the app. As you can see, it is there, go to link. So if I click on this, so it will come out as a pop-up and it will occupy the entire screen. And if you touch that, it will take you again to a link, that is the link which opened up in the browser. So this is the two ads implementations in the Shuttle Track app. And then I want to talk about how we implemented it, and how so basically we chose ad mobs. So to set up the ads, first we have to create a key and set up an account in AdMops. And then after we set up an account, we would get um, a banner or the project key, and after which um, yeah, so here you can see I have got the app ID. So this is individual to every app. So if I can manage, okay, so this is my AdMob interface, and with the help of Firebase. So AdMob is something that I only manage. Yeah, I only manage the monetization part through AdMob, while through Firebase, I actually create the keys, and yeah. Yeah, I actually create the API keys. So yeah, this is the step. You can see there is the stepwise. This is the interface we have, and stepwise implementation of this thing. So with the help of Firebase, I have set up the account, and if I go to the overview panel, I will see my Shuttle Track app, and I have set up the analytics and the web app structure. So yeah, here is the interface which it's checks the ad performance, and the demographics. I can see all this, and So this is the analytics, this and the authentication part where setup sign in, the new ID, the identifiers, and while in AdMob, if I go to home and I go to manage your apps, and yeah, so yeah, so yeah, I have created it. Management. So this is how, yeah, so this is set up my advertisements. And yeah, so the code that I have implemented is, so first, so I have, what I have used is the Firebase tool which is there. So this tool is very convenient. It will it has a step-by-step guidance as to what to do, and how, like, just a step by guidance. So I just have to, if I want to create a banner ad, I click on this and it will show me all, everything about how to do it and how should I publish it. And so yeah, so this is so here yeah, so this is a step by step guidance, and similar. So first thing that is what says is, if you want to add a banner ad, you have to put in the banner configuration. So as you can see, um, yeah, the banner configurations, I have put my unit ID, which was there in my Firebase account, the unit ID for my particular project, as you can see. um, so this is my unit ID, which is, yeah, this is the unit ID for my, so yeah, so this is the unit ID which I have used, which is generated at the time of creating a project. I got the instructions via email about what is my unit ID and stuff. And if I want to set up an interstitial ad, I just have to set up a button or any click event, and I have to put it at the place where I want to display it. And also, in order to fire it, so what I have done is I have put my both banner ad and interstitial ad in my main activity. So on create function, on create function, I have call up the banner. I have initialized the banner function and the interstitial add function. So here I have set up the device with the device ID, where I have put in the ID. Um, so this also I got for, and this, yeah. So when it goes add test device is something that's in order to test in emulator, and in my system I have to add some exceptions. So that's what I have done here. And so yeah, the add view I have, this is the ad view is where I have set up the ID with the ad unit. And yes, so yeah, with just this I have to just initiate it and load ad, and it's done. Load ad with the ad request, which is the new ad request, and the banner ad is displayed. While for interstitial ad is just a on click event, but yes, again you have to set up the unit ad unit ID, which yeah, it was given for the banner ad, it was given in the instructions, so I have set it up here. And then have created many listeners and event listeners and on-click listeners. So with each I have described here how it will function, and yeah, so yeah, and have here uh, made it on request interstitial. I have called the load add function. So yeah, so making changes in the main in the activity and the layout and setting up the IDs, pretty much about it, how the ad is implemented. And that's it about the monetization part. Yes, the ad mob has its own console where I can create campaigns and I can set up deadlines. And so if I create campaigns, I can set up my own goals and I can set up targets. Okay, fine. If I get 100 clicks or 1,000 clicks, I will charge like maybe clicks. I will charge something like. $1 per click or something. So this is how the users can earn money through ad mob through having ads in the screen. And so yeah, this is either the campaigns. Creating campaign is a way of earning money through cab and through in ads. And another way of earning money through app is charging every time a person downloads the app, or maybe having an in-app purchase, a certain feature which is unlocked only when a user is paying extra. So this kind of ways the app developers can earn money. So that's about it. I've talked about the implementations of ads and through AdMob, and the two times which I implemented, and how monetization is done, and the console which is provided by both Google